Hanwha Aerospace has entered into a strategic agreement with Turkey's ASELSAN to incorporate the SEDA 100 gunshot detection system into its next-generation armored vehicles. This move marks a significant advancement in South Korea's defense modernization efforts by merging cutting-edge acoustic sensing with combat vehicle technology. The integration of ASELSAN's SEDA 100 reflects a growing international footprint for the Turkish defense company and aligns with Hanwha's aim to provide enhanced battlefield awareness to military clients. The system will offer South Korean forces a critical edge in recognizing and responding to threats in dynamic combat environments. The SEDA 100 system is engineered to detect the trajectory of supersonic bullets and instantly pinpoint enemy fire sources through sophisticated sound tracking algorithms. It supports real-time geographic alerts and functions effectively across all terrain and weather types. Designed for quick deployment, the sensor's plug-and-play configuration eliminates the need for calibration, ideal for fast-paced operations involving mobile or stationary assets. ASELSAN's development of the SEDA 100 stems from its long-standing focus on in-house sensor technologies aimed at countering modern asymmetric warfare. Created to address growing threats from snipers and ambushes, the system has undergone rigorous battlefield testing and continues to be upgraded for maximum operational performance. Its versatility and proven effectiveness have opened the door for high-profile defense collaborations, such as this agreement with Hanwha. In contrast to other global gunshot detection systems, which often require complex setup and frequent maintenance, the SEDA 100 stands out due to its ease of use and seamless compatibility with existing military platforms. These qualities make it especially valuable for armored crews that need reliable threat detection with minimal logistical overhead. From a strategic perspective, this partnership reinforces the defense relationship between South Korea and Türkiye. For Seoul, outfitting new-generation armored vehicles with such technology significantly increases troop protection against small arms fire. For ASELSAN, the cooperation marks a major milestone in expanding its global reach and competing with Western defense tech providers. This collaboration is more than just a technological upgrade, it's a signal of intent. Both countries are deepening their defense-industrial ties and supporting broader interoperability within international military alliances. The long-term potential for further joint innovation suggests a durable and mutually beneficial alliance. By adopting the SEDA 100 into its armored platforms, Hanwha is not only enhancing its product line but also pushing forward a vision of future warfare where precision detection and soldier survivability are central.